Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is November 11th, 2024, and we have a lineup of intriguing stories from the world of Apple technology. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Apple is under scrutiny from federal authorities following allegations of illegal threats to employees regarding discussions about pay and remote work. A complaint filed with the National Labor Relations Board by former software engineer Cher Scarlett claims that a manager warned against talking about wages. This case is part of a broader examination of Apple's workplace practices, especially concerning employee rights to discuss working conditions. The outcome of this investigation could significantly impact Apple's corporate policies. A Canadian customer faced a dilemma after ordering 2 MacBooks through Apple's same-day delivery service via Uber. Despite the order being marked as delivered, the laptops never arrived. Apple refused to provide a replacement or refund, citing Uber's confirmation of delivery. The customer has filed a police report and is considering a chargeback through their credit card company. This incident has sparked discussions online, with others sharing similar experiences. Apple is expanding its product lineup beyond the iPhone, exploring new ventures like smart glasses and mixed reality headsets. The internal Project Atlas is assessing consumer interest in smart glasses, while new design leadership signals a commitment to innovation. Recent product launches, such as the M4 Mac Mini, indicate Apple's strategy to diversify its offerings and compete in new markets like gaming consoles. The new M4 Mac Mini has stirred some debate with its power button located on the bottom of the device. Apple VP Greg Joswiak explained that the design choice reflects the infrequent use of the power button, as most users keep their Macs in sleep mode. Despite some user criticism, the M4 Mac Mini is praised for its performance and compact design. Apple has decided to end production of its Vision Pro virtual reality headset due to high costs and low demand. Initially launched with high expectations, the headset's $3,500 price tag proved too steep for many consumers. Apple plans to develop a more affordable version to appeal to a broader audience, aiming to learn from this experience and continue its journey in the VR space. Inframon is a new lightweight network monitoring application for macOS and Linux AMD systems. Developed by Carson Clock, it offers a user-friendly dashboard to track system metrics like CPU and memory usage. The app supports multiple devices and provides features like historical data charts and GPU usage monitoring for Apple Silicon Macs. The GitHub project Furious Mac/Continuity is delving into Apple's Continuity Bluetooth Low Energy protocol. This reverse engineering effort aims to understand the protocol's structure and address privacy concerns related to device tracking. The project provides tools for analyzing continuity messages and encourages contributions to keep the dissector updated. A detailed teardown of Apple's iPhone charger reveals its sophisticated design and high-quality components. The charger features advanced safety measures and filtering components to minimize electromagnetic interference. Despite its higher price compared to competitors, the charger's quality and safety features justify the cost. Apple's new eye tracking feature for iPhone allows users to control their devices with eye movements. Utilizing the front-facing camera, this accessibility feature enables an on-screen pointer to follow the user's gaze. Available on iOS 18 or later, it enhances device accessibility with customizable settings for pointer responsiveness and dwell control. The decline of punctuation usage, particularly among younger generations, is attributed to the iPhone keyboard design. The keyboard's layout requires extra taps for punctuation, leading users to skip it for speed. This trend is contrasted with Android keyboards, which offer easier access to punctuation, highlighting a potential area for improvement in Apple's design. Apple's developer documentation outlines a method for generating high-quality thumbnails from videos using the Vision framework. This process involves analyzing video frames for aesthetic scores to create promotional materials. The documentation provides a comprehensive guide for developers to implement this feature in their applications. Apple Silicon, a series of processors designed by Apple, powers a range of devices from Macs to iPhones. The transition from Intel to Apple Silicon has allowed for optimized performance and efficiency. The latest M3 series continues to improve processing power, showcasing Apple's comprehensive approach to chip design across its product lineup. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered today. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of Apple technology. Until then, stay informed and stay curious.